we're pushing it. It's too heavy for them. They can't even push it right. You got to try to push it by yourself. Just understanding the. They said car covered. They already called the seatbelt. So now they start pushing again. He broke apart. They don't even know I'm recording this. Just that they don't know what to do next.